Hello team and family, this is video number 2 on order of operations. Before I start solving this, I want to remind us that when we solve order of operations we use PEMDAS. Multiplication and division you have to go left to right, and addition and subtraction you need to go from left to right. So first thing I'm looking for is parentheses, and I've got a couple different parentheses. I'm going to start with two of them. I'm going to start with the one inside of parentheses, and then I'm going to start with the one on the left here. I can solve both of those because they're not in the same part of the expression, but they're both in parentheses. So I'll do 8 divided by 2, which is 4, and I'll do 12 minus 3, which is 9. Then I'm going to put parentheses around the 4 and put squared next to it, plus, then I'm going to put 2 parentheses on the left, put 1 parentheses on the right, times 4 squared, and then parentheses around that. The 4 on the left, excuse me, the 4 on the left is in parentheses, but there's nothing to do there. If I look on the right, I've got 9 in parentheses, but there's nothing to do there. Then I've got 9 times 4 to the second power. So I have multiplication or exponents. Exponents comes before multiplication, so I'm going to leave 4 squared plus 9 times, and then I'm going to do 4 times 4, which is 16, and put parentheses on the outside. So now I have 4 squared plus 9 times 16 in parentheses. The 4 squared, once again, that's like nothing inside parentheses to do, but then 9 times 16 on the right, I can multiply those two because those are both in parentheses. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. So I've got 144 plus 4 squared. So since there's nothing really, excuse me, because there's nothing to do in parentheses for either one, it would either be adding those two together or doing exponents. Since exponents comes first, I'm going to do 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. And then 16 plus 144. So I just have to add 144 plus 16. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 6. Bring down the 1, 160. So I'm going to put 160, and I'm going to box in my answer. And that's my answer when I follow the order of operations.